This is the Aesthedes. It's a CAD computer, a design computer. We have the only one in the entire world that is mostly working. We were working on this computer since last year. We don't have schematics. We don't even had we didn't have the photos or videos of how this computer should be working. So we started with basically nothing and a bunch of computer, and it didn't work at all. So thanks to a lot of measuring, testing, trying, finding all these old people who worked with this computer and to find their experience with this computer, we got it back to nearly working state. Most of the things are working except for the middle screen, who doesn't have a correct sync signal yet. But yeah, that's one of the computers we have. And I'm pretty proud of to have this and to have it working. And we're actually one of the few that has one, or one of the only one that is working. So.